Hi everyone, welcome back to Talk to Me in Tagalog. This grammar lesson is about the prefix de that helps create powerful Filipino adjectives. De is borrowed from Spanish and it means of or from. De. The prefix de in Tagalog words indicate that something is equipped with, powered by, made from, or associated with the noun it precedes. De describes a characteristic or a component of the main noun. Forming Tagalog de adjectives is simple. Prefix de plus Tagalog noun. Here's our first de word. De bateria. Bateria means battery, so de bateria is battery operated or something that runs on batteries. De bateria. For example, flashlight na de bateria, meaning battery-operated flashlight. Then we have laruang de bateria. Laruan is toy. So laruang de bateria is battery-operated toy. The next example is de bateriyang radyo, battery-operated radio. Use the Tagalog linkers na or ng to connect the de adjective to the noun it describes and vice versa. We have an old lesson on Filipino linkers. Link is in the description. Let's use de bateria in a sentence. Nagdala siya ng flashlight na de bateria sa camping. Meaning, he brought a battery-operated flashlight for camping. Nagdala siya ng flashlight na de bateria sa camping. De bateria ang laruan ng bata, kaya malakas ang tunog. The child's toy is battery-operated, so it's loud. De bateria ang laruan ng bata, kaya malakas ang tunog. Radyong de bateria ang ginamit namin noong nawala ng kuryente. We used a battery-operated radio when the power went out. Radyong de bateria ang ginamit namin noong nawala ng kuryente. Next, we have de kuryente. Kuryente means electricity. So, de kuryente is electric or electrically powered. De kuryente. Example, kalang de kuryente. Kalang means stove. Kalang de kuryente, electric stove. Sepilyong de kuryente, electric toothbrush. Kagamitang de kuryente, electric appliance. Delikado ang mga kagamitang de kuryente kapag nabasa. Electrical appliances are dangerous when they get wet. Delikado ang mga kagamitang de kuryente kapag nabasa. Meron akong sepilyong de kuryente. I have an electric toothbrush. Meron akong sepilyong de kuryente. Mas gusto naming magluto sa de kuryenteng kalan. We prefer cooking on an electric stove. Mas gusto naming magluto sa de kuryenteng kalan. De lata. Lata means can or tin, so de lata refers to something preserved in a can. Please note that while the de prefix is nearly always hyphenated, de lata is commonly written as one word. This is simply a matter of established usage and not a specific grammatical rule. De lata. Example, de latang sardinas. canned sardines. Delatang pagkain, canned goods. Masustansya ba ang mga delatang sardinas? Are canned sardines nutritious? Masustansya ba ang mga delatang sardinas? Hindi siya mahilig kumain ng mga pagkaing delata. She doesn't like eating canned foods. Hindi siya mahilig kumain ng mga pagkaing delata. Deuling. Uling is charcoal, so deuling means charcoal fueled or something that uses charcoal as its heat source. Example, planchang deuling, charcoal fueled iron. Kalang deuling, charcoal fueled stove. And deuling na ihawan, charcoal fueled grill. Masarap ang inihaw na manok sa ihawang deuling. Grilled chicken is delicious when cooked on a charcoal fueled grill. Masarap ang inihaw na manok sa ihawang deuling. Gumagamit pa rin ng planchang deuling ang lola ko. My grandmother still uses a charcoal-fueled iron. Gumagamit pa rin ng planchang deuling ang lola ko. Sa probinsya, marami pa ring pamilya ang gumagamit ng lutuang deuling. In the province, many families still use charcoal-fueled cooking stoves. Sa probinsya, marami pa ring pamilya ang gumagamit ng lutuang deuling. Desusi. Susi means key. So desusi is key-operated or something that requires a key to function, open, or start. Like maletang desusi, key-operated suitcase. Motor na desusi, key-operated motorcycle. And desusing kandado, key-operated lock. Mas maganda ang maletang desusi kaysa sa depindot lang. A key-operated suitcase is better than one with just a push button. Let's look at one more example, depindot. Since pindot translates to press or push, depindot refers to something that works by pressing a button, like those handy push buttons devices. Depindot. Mas maganda ang maletang desusi kaysa sa depindot lang. Desusi ang ignition ng mga lumang kotse. Old cars have key-operated ignitions. Desusi ang ignition ng mga lumang kotse. Decolor, meaning colored or in color. Decolor. Example, damit na decolor. Colored clothes. Ihiwalay mo ang mga damit na dekolor sa mga puti para hindi maghalo ang kulay. Separate the colored clothes from the whites so the colors don't mix. Ihiwalay mo ang mga damit na dekolor sa mga puti para hindi maghalo ang kulay. Desaguan. Saguan means ore. So desaguan is oar-powered or something that is propelled by oars. Desaguan. Example, bangkang desaguan. Bangka is boat. So bangkang desaguan means oar-powered boat. Masarap maglibot sa lawa gamit ang bangkang desaguan. It's nice to tour the lake using an oar-powered boat. Masarap maglibot sa lawa gamit ang bangkang desaguan. De bomba. The word bomba means bomb, but in this context, it means pump. So de bomba is pump-operated or something that uses a pump. Like posong de bomba, pump-operated well. Kailangan natin ng posong de bomba para may tubig sa bukid. We need a pump-operated well to have water in the farm. Kailangan natin ng posong de bomba para may tubig sa bukid. De calidad. Calidad means quality. So de calidad means high quality, of good quality, or superior in make or material. Like sapatos na de calidad. High quality shoes. Or de calidad na serbisyo. High quality service. De calidad. De kalidad ang sapatos na to kaya matibay sa kahit anong lakaran. This pair of shoes is high quality so it's durable for any walk. De kalidad ang sapatos na to kaya matibay sa kahit anong lakaran. Mas gusto ko ang serbisyong de kalidad kahit medyo mahal. I prefer high quality service even if it's a bit expensive. Mas gusto ko ang serbisyong de kalidad kahit medyo mahal. Our next de word is de campanilla. Campanilla means bell. The Tagalog adjective de campanilla implies the quality of a high-profile, reputable, or highly sought-after professional, usually a lawyer whose name definitely rings a bell, like de campanillang abogado, a high-caliber lawyer. De campanilla. Kailangan natin ng abogadong de campanilla para sa kaso natin. We need a high-profile lawyer for our case. Kailangan natin ng abogadong de campanilla para sa kaso natin. Let's now recap the Tagalog de adjectives that you've just learned. De batería, battery-operated. De kuryente, electric or electrically powered. De uling, charcoal-fueled. De lata, preserved in a can. De susi, key-operated. De color, colored. De pindot, to be pressed or pushed. De saguan, oar-powered. De bomba, pump-operated. De calidad, high quality. De campanilla, high caliber. Here are two more de words that you can add to your vocabulary. De motor, motorized. And the last one is de gasolina, gasoline-powered. Now that you've mastered the de prefix, I challenge you. What other de words come to mind? Share them in the comments and maybe even use them in a sentence. And if you found this video helpful, remember to like and subscribe. Salamat po!